So today is the second day when NCB has again summoned actress Rhea Chakravarti for further questioning. On Sunday, it was almost for 6 hours NCB questioned Rhea Chakravarti regarding her connection in the drug league. Right now I'm standing outside NCB office in Mumbai, and behind me you can see this is the exchange building on the top floor, or we can say on the third floor of this building. The NCB office is there, and you can see that Mumbai police have barricaded this area because yesterday there was like heavy media presence over here when the Rhea Chakravarti had come, and to control the media, now you can see that on the both sides of the road they have barricaded. So why NCB called Rhea Chakravarti again, and what is going to happen today? Basically, Dipesh Sawant, who is like personal staff of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, in his statement basically he has said that Rhea Chakravarti was also involved in drugs. She's also having a drug links, and she used to ask Dipesh to purchase drugs. So now what would be happening today? Yesterday we saw is for 6 hours NCB grilled Rhea Chakravarti. There was a joint confrontation happened where Rhea Chakravarti, Dipesh, Samuel Miranda and Shobik, who is Rhea's brother and who has been arrested by NCB in drug connection, they were made to sit in front of each other and NCB officials asked them questions. Yesterday, before leaving her house, we saw very rapid activities where NCB team had gone to Rhea Chakravarti's house. They served her summons, and before Rhea left her house, basically her lawyer sent a statement from her side that we are not approaching any court for anticipatory bail. We are ready. Rhea is ready if NCB or any other agency arrest her. But why Rhea has been called today? Yes, yesterday after 6 hours of grilling, today again NCB feel that there are some discrepancies which they have found in her statement, and they want more information and about the drug link, about the drugs, about the purchase which had happened, and that's why they have called Rhea Chakravarti again. We have been given to understand today also there will be a joint interrogation which will happen at NCB office here in Mumbai, where senior officers like Samir Wankhede, Mutha Ashok Jain and KPS Malhotra, who had come from Delhi, they will be grilling all these people. So basically NCB had filed 2 FIRs. One is 15/2020 and another is 16/2020. In 15/2020, Rhea Chakravarti and her family members have been shown as a main accused, and whereas in 16/2020 all these drug peddlers who have been arrested so far, there are some 8 arrests which had happened, including Shobik Chakravarti, including Dipesh, including Samuel Miranda. So in that case, basically what NCB is doing, NCB is probing both the case at the same time and try to find out more links, because we saw that it was ED who first spotted that there are some chats related to the drugs contrabands which Rhea Chakravarti was basically talking with many people, including Gaurav Arya, including Shobik Chakravarti, and that's why they asked NCB to come into the play to see this, and then NCB filed an FIR against Rhea Chakravarti. So today, again, Rhea Chakravarti will be coming to NCB office. Again, there will be questioning, but now it would be interesting to see that in today's questioning, what exactly Rhea Chakravarti tells. If NCB gets a substantial evidences against Rhea Chakravarti, then there are chances that Rhea Chakravarti will also get arrested. But for that we have to wait, because yesterday there were many speculative news that Rhea may get arrested, but in the evening we saw that NCB allow her to go back to her home, and today she has been summoned again. So it would be interesting to see that what exactly NCB gets in her statement or in her questioning. Because if you remember, when NCB had conducted the house searches, they didn't find any contraband, they didn't find any banned substance like a bird, weed or any other drug. In the NDPS Act, it is very much important that what exactly the probing agency is seizing, because seizure has got very much importance in this particular act, and on the basis of seizure only a watertight case can be made. Yes, digital evidences can be shown or can be produced in the court, but obviously they have to prove that the consumption or sale or procurement had happened, and the party who is basically accused was involved into it. So that's a big task in front of NCB, and that's why NCB has called Riya Chakravarti again for the day 2 of questioning. Mayuresh Ganpate for Mumbai, from Mirror Now.